Alright, guys, welcome back. So, we are prepping for React interview. I'm gonna give you more background soon. I'm also gonna eat some chips if you don't mind. Um, I'm also going on holiday soon, so now you know. Give me a second, guys. I'm so hungry. God damn it. Okay, what we're doing is, let me see. We are trying to get 10 examples of interview questions, and these interview questions will be common, very common. So yeah. Also, um, also, we were working out a lot of JavaScript, a lot of just basic. It's like an exam. That's how you should see it. We're preparing for an exam. Um, I don't want that to be honest, but yeah, I have to. Um, so I have here 10 examples. I have to check them. Um, a lot of use states, but I don't need to use memorization. I don't see use use effects a lot. Why? Oh, it's here. There's one here. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's one here. This is the ninth. Okay, it's off the screen, guys. Oh, um, oh, that's interesting. Oh, fuck me. Okay, I'm just gonna show the screen. Fuck it. Let me see you guys. Alright. I am second working with form validation. Okay. What did I ask? Oh, these are like meteor. These are more. They're harder. Okay. And one of them said memorization, and there's one class component. Okay. Okay. Now I understand what's going on. So what we're not gonna do is practice this now. We're gonna prep now. Prepping is very important. Okay. Mm, how how can I prep for this? That's hmm. How can I make this into? I mean, no, that's not prepping. That's making. Um, let's see here. Okay, there are like so many questions. What are these? Wait, there are two different kinds of. What's going on? Wow, there's so many questions. Jesus Christ. 500. And this is all the list as well? Or, yeah. What are these? Okay. What are the what are the possible ways? Oh, well, this is something I don't do. Okay. Okay, so is that also number three or yeah. Okay. 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 Mm, but how am I gonna do that? Um, we can create one giant accordion for this, but why should you? Then I should make my own stuff. Not feeling like that. Okay. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. So ChatGPT. These are almost 500 questions in a link. However, I want it to set up for Anki. Make it. The link I will provide. Make it. Question. Uh, I accidentally pressed enter. Hmm. What I can do, maybe, I know what to do. So, oh, this is gonna be, uh, okay. I didn't know that trick. That's pretty cool. Does that work? Or does it only select a certain part? No, it doesn't. Okay, so I want to have text and I want to go to PDF. So I'm gonna do that. Word. Right. This is a lot. Word is gonna crash probably. Let it cook for a bit. Good luck. I'm curious what it will do. Okay. And when it says answer, it doesn't copy the answer. Fuck me. Okay. Wordless. Wordless. ChatGPT should be able to do this. Oh, this link. Okay. So, no, not like that. Um, I'm not sure how many questions this is. This link contains maybe 300, maybe 300 questions about React for interview. Could you make a let me see. Um, SCV file for the following question, question, including the code block formatted. Is it a screenshot? Oh fuck me. Okay, including code block. Answer. If let's see. If code block included. It doesn't want to do it. should be able to do it. It doesn't want to do it though. It doesn't want to do it, I know, but it's better if I do some flashcards about this and as fast as possible. So I'm gonna skip a lot of parts, so we'll see what happens, right? We'll see. There's a lot of things I need to know, and hopefully, what is this? Reverse an array. Oh, okay. This is like the okay. Ah, I'm not sure if it pasted everything. It's too long. Okay, I'm gonna make it as a PDF. Like it can be long PDFs, but not like raw text in the chat box. So export, um, create. What the hell is this? Shut up. Okay. Um, PDF. Let me see. Um, Not this one. That one. Okay. Awesome. Yes. Okay. Let's go to the desktop. Let's go to React interview questions. And then let's go here. I'm gonna say here it is. Alright. Let's see how we did. Ah, chincha. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna ask. Great. Based on that interview, based on that PDF, filter out I want the top 100 questions asked by the interviewers. And not FedEx. Fuck me. What? Okay. 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 Also, without into and testing, make the top component again. Ah, fuck me. Clicky. Let's check it. Okay. Okay. Now let's check that again. Okay. Okay. How the hell am I gonna do this, bro? Okay. These are old. Okay. These are old. These are new. Okay. A lot of Redux. React Native. .265. It's not clicked. So let me see where it was. What? Control F. Control F. What is this? Can I not search anymore? Is that not a thing anymore? Find and paste. Control F. Oh, what is this? Apparently you cannot search. That's crazy. How about here? Oh, it's down. Okay, but it's not done. I have to think. Okay. Um, I can use my ChatGPT. Okay. So what I want to do, I want to be like, basically to find a way to look at this every hour, right? Until I know it. So, what are you waiting for? I don't like that. Maybe I should do it like this. Every day, I'm gonna do 20 questions. Okay? 20 questions. Okay, I'm getting nauseous of the ship, so. Okay. We have like a half hour left. So, every day we do 20. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so let's write that down. For React, we do top 20. Or we can say we do top 10, but we have 8 days, that means we have top 80 and JavaScript top 80. Okay? And next to that, we're gonna do four React questions. So two, yeah, just in order. Okay, in ChatGPT. Okay, and then we have the filter questions. Filter questions, 2 a day. So that will be sharpen my skills. And then I have like 8 days. Top 80 to 80 is 160 is 8 days. 8 days. Oh, that doesn't make any sense. Or is it? 7 days. We also need to do the behavioral interview practice. Mock interview practice day 6. Okay, so then I'm gonna tell the recruiter to fuck off until until Friday, so oké. Ik moet veranderen. Send me an invite. Join a Google Meet. Okay. I need to know who that guy is. Give me a second. Let me see, who is this guy? Internet marketing business. What do you do? Master's degree in marketing. Okay.
The right people. If you find the right people, your job's easier. Onze grootste uitdaging bij scaling is dat wij genoeg goede mensen moeten vinden. Dus een heel groot tekort aan goede developers, programmeurs. En het is voor ons heel erg lastig om het werk wat we binnenhalen, om dat goed en snel weg te kunnen draaien. Je kunt ook gewoon veel kritischer kijken naar hoe zijn de processen nu verdeeld. Doet iedereen wat hij moet doen? Kan ik daar niet wat herverdelingen in maken? En dus kritisch kijken naar je huidige processen eigenlijk.
Okay. Fuck me. When was this video recorded? Because that's not good. Let me see. Don't say last year. 6 years ago. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay, he is pro on accordions, so I need to focus on accordions as well. Accordions. Okay. need to think dynamically here. Oh, God damn it! If I'm don't tell me this is okay. Let me see this website. Let me see this website. Okay. I'm not gonna make that. Mobile. Really unnecessary. Okay. And how mobile? Oh, okay, I see. It's up here. Okay, on hover, change the images, but then you need to inject the image, right? And you need to is it a different image or does it actually color out? Also, oh, there's an issue on this website. You see? Oh, okay. Oh my god. God damn it. And what is this? An image? And just color it in. I've never seen that. I have no idea how to start it. Oh, that's not good actually. There are some bugs. Okay. And how is this made again? Don't say me it's WordPress. Again. Okay, I'm gonna what build website build with PHP and Laravel. And React. Okay. Okay, that's pretty fast. Jones here. 2 weeks of development time. That's pretty fast. Okay. 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 Okay, not an issue. Not an issue. Mobile. That is not good. Okay. Okay. I know how to do this though. Is it video? Okay. Okay. So it's a clear background and it's fixed and it's slowly like okay, but there's a transition fix. So if it's scrolled more than certain pixels, then you transition immediately. But it only it scales the okay. No worries. So accordions are really important. That's what I figured. And not only these ones. Not only these ones, but okay. Good. Okay. Good. Okay, awesome. Now that we know that the ones that created this, that trying to recruit me, I can make this. So that's not an issue. It's very simple, right? You have filter tags, and with these filter tags, you can say, okay, you show a certain content, but this content is going to be dynamic. So we have an API endpoint. Like, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm gonna say it simple soon. You're gonna have an API endpoint to render all these render all these text and those kinds of stuff. Like this one will always be here, right? But these ones will be dynamic. So let's assume we have. I actually made that already. Okay, let me translate it to human language. Okay, so you have these different tabs, and each of these tabs, below that, we say, okay, we want to have certain content in it. Maybe you want to have 3 content, maybe you want to have 4 content. We don't know yet, right? I already see a bug here. You see this bug? Oh, there's not a bug. Okay. Then we say, okay, the images that are loaded, I think they are static, but you don't have to. Actually, let me write that down. Data attributes. Right? These are static. This means that if I hover over this, the image will just change. For these texts, so okay, so this is an optional one. So if I hover over it, you will show me another image, but this is also from the database. This one, this text is also from the database. These prices are also from the database. So that is what you should keep in mind. Now these buttons are also static. So these ones are dynamically loaded from the database, these are static. And you can just render it on top of them if you want to. Now, Then we also apparently have reusable components here. Okay. And is this like just a link or is this a block? That is what is important. No, it's just a link. Okay. This means I need to know React router. Okay. We already did this. We made this button already. Oh, I hate that. It's it's just a cursor and you can drag. This is a very complex, very complex. Yeah, I need to think about that, right? Because dragging, does it also work for mobile? By the way, let me check. Yeah, it does. Oh no, no. Okay, I don't know how they made this, but these are just rings. It's not a big issue. I'm not sure if they are rendered on top or anything, but let's see. Inspect. Are they dynamic or are they not? So let's go to this one again. Fuck. It shows differently. Oh, this is okay. Oh, and it's using Tailwind. Cursor auto. Yeah, this is the cursor. Right. Data ignore cursor. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. And then of course form submission, right? Knowing how to do that. This is also dynamic, so when it's a certain time it gets closed, and also it is beeping. Okay. This is very complex. Okay. Not too bad, to be honest. Okay. Now let's get into now I would not slate my. Okay, these are static onto the image. That's very interesting. Okay. Three sliders. Crazy. Absolutely dumb fuck. Okay, let's go to the card. This was loading too long, and this is a very dynamic component. Also another, I'm not sure how they did this though. Right? I don't know how they did this. Okay, so let's assume I ordered something. Oh, fuck. I've never done that. before. Okay, that's how you do it. That's pretty cool though. Is it static? Yeah, so it's a certain width. Okay. Okay. So my most biggest concern is this application that they built, this widget, right? So when I click this, right, then how did it change, right? That's my main question. We are almost at an hour, but okay. We in depth check this one. So let's check this case and check the website. Okay, this is way simpler. Research reviews. This is way simpler, but they love the dragging, bro. They love the dragging. And these are like blocks. Yeah, these are like blocks. Okay. Okay, so I need to know some React routing. It's not bad. Okay. Sure. We can do that. This is like an API I was asking for. Let's see if that's true or it's outdated. Is it 899? Yeah, it's outdated. Static. That was very stupid of them. Not good. You should never do this. Okay, on hover. Okay. No problem. Online courses. Right. Okay. Sure. You guys love to drag us. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be very sneaky next to this one probably. Nice try. So now we know this. We need to do React questions. We need to do 2 filter questions a day. We need to behavioral interview practice. We need to do mock interview practice day 6. Okay, that is with ChatGPT. We need to know how to make an accordion, especially with Dragger. Right? We just need to remember the code, right? Data attributes, and we need to know React router. That's what they love. Now, I'm not sure why they are using React for this. I would use nextjs for this. Absolutely. Yeah. Um, okay, marker. Yeah, sure. I need to look that up though. This I can make with, I'm not gonna make this separately, obviously. Joining community, sure. Um, sure. No, not an issue. No. Oh, very good. I like that. Very good. I like that. You can skew, transform, right? Rotate, whatever. Sure. Content based, not an issue. Okay. Okay, but you need to code in a specific way. Infinite sliders. Let me see if this is working or if it's lagging. Aha! Got you. That's it's very difficult though. It's very difficult. Yeah. Okay. Um. Okay, this is dynamic, right? Okay, and we have filters. Very interesting. Or are they just displayed all? Because else there's a lot of complexity. Let me see. Courses? Does it display all courses? It doesn't. Oh, okay. For some are wrist and hand. Oh, okay. No, okay. I don't need to worry about that. Okay. Structures. So. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This is the app, right? Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Ik moet het bijstellen. Oké. Oké. Does it do it on mobile as well? No, it removes it on mobile. Okay. many developers. Okay. How do you make a testimonial with drag and drop in reactjs that also works on mobile? Okay, let's see this and then okay. Frame of motion. Okay. Testimonials, yes. Swipe confidence threshold. I don't know what it is. Okay. I have to explain each line. Sortable. Explain each line. Yeah, okay. Testimonials. This is the hard-coded list. Velocity-based swipes. Okay. State setup. Current index, directions, state index. Index of the testimonial. Current index testimonial, directions. Used to animate the slide direction. Stored together. Okay. 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 Let's install that for a second. We have a lot to do. We have to wake up early. We have to hello? Okay, I thought so. Okay. Let's see. JSX. Hey, you wanted to do this TypeScript. I'm not that fast yet, but if you give me the time and effort, then sure. Motion. It's defined but never used. VMI motion. That will be create a problem. Will it create a problem? Probably. Okay. That will create a problem, I think. Yep. Okay. Why is it not working? Is it loading? That's what it is? It's not working. Am I on the right page? Yes. Am I on the right port? Yes. Okay, this time. Let's ask Gemini, whatever. Okay. And let's do the ask. It seems like nothing is displayed on screen. Why? Maybe because of this. Yeah, okay, I already know. Okay. Okay, maybe that is the issue. Why do you think it is? don't see anything still. Oh, is it using Tailwind? Yeah, sorry. Let's go to ChatGPT again. Remove the Tailwind. Use CSS. Can the CSS be in the file itself? Okay, so let's do that. I'm so used to damn it. Okay, let's do it up. Okay. Let's see. Nope. That still doesn't fix the issue. Okay. How about now? I changed it to CSS and did what you said about framer motion. No, app.jsx. No, there's no an issue. Seems like. Okay, let's update that. So let's go to MPNI motion or something. MPNI frame of motion. Is this the frame of motion that we are expecting? Yeah, okay. This one. We already did this. And let's see if it's actually using motion diff. Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace that with this one. And it's still not using motion. So let's install motion, just in case. So let's go to a new. Okay. That should fix the issue. Wow, that's so weird. Let's read. Okay, let's read. Motion is defined but never used. Allowed and used vars must match. Yeah. Okay. Symbol, clipper, animate. Okay, then let's read what they do. Maybe it's because the way you set your things up. That wouldn't make sense though. Current index. Okay. Let's not stay here for too long. You use the MPNI motion instead of MPNI framer motion. No. Damn it. Oh. After Effects? Know what I mean? Fuck, man. Okay. Let's go to that library again. Okay, so I'm gonna ask the ChatGPT. I'm gonna say, hey, they changed it. Adjust it to what to the code block we currently have. Oh. Okay. So what changed? I'm not sure, but we'll see. Okay. Does it give an error? Still an error. Damn it. Okay, I think it's time for the fix the motion error. Okay. It doesn't. Sure. Yes. Could it be there? No way. That wouldn't just fix the issue, right? Nope. Okay. It's so strange that this gives an error. What's going on? Is it a bug or something? Motion, yeah, it's visible. That's crazy. It did not fix it. It broke it even more. I give it a second. I have no idea. Because it's set up correctly, so I'm not sure why it's not using motion. I'm using this. Let me see if it, yeah, here, the motion keyword is used. Yeah. No, it's not my browser. Oh. It's fixed? I'm not sure what is white. What? Okay, let's see. I still don't get anything. Why? Let's see the errors. Console. There's no errors. It's not displayed on the screen. Let me see. Let's go here, testimonials. And it is used. Key testimonials, ID, testimonial card, drag X. Maybe it's because it's dark or something? Maybe it's because of app.js. No, it's not imported. Maybe it's here imported. Like here. Okay, so let's remove index.js. Let's see. Close. This one. Oh. Okay. That was the issue. Okay. Great. Not too difficult, right? Okay, but this is definitely I need to remember like at the top of my head, because this is what I really feel important. Okay, so we have a plan. Okay, but I need to know frame of motion, animate, x0. Like if the direction is above 0, then we do 300, else we do minus 300 and we put the opposite opacity to 0. You don't need to do this, but this is just because it's one flow. You can also make it bigger, but this is the current state, right? So paginate is either 1 or minus 1. If info offset is above this one, click, right? So, okay, and this is the basic direction, paginate direction, right? So, okay, I really need to remember this like at the top of my head. Is there a use state? I think so. Yeah. Yeah, if I remember this. Okay. Yeah. Awesome. Thing is that so sometimes okay, yeah, so this is the plan. Okay, this is the plan. I'm not sure how the plan will go, but we'll find out, right? Okay, so I think that's it for this one. Damn it, bro. That was a lot of thinking. I don't like that. So yeah, I see you guys around. See you guys later.